flat stay. And then soft close. And we will show you what this new item, how it works. Like this, we open it, and it can lip stay at any degree. Like this, it can flat stay, and it will soft close. It can be soft close when closed at start from 30 degree. It is soft close. Can you see? Soft close. And it can be stay at any degree. So this new item combined with the flat stay and soft close. And the loading is same as the gas spring, like this. Have 60 Newton to 120 Newtons usually, and it can be adjustable. The soft close speed and the loading can be adjustable by one piece. We will show you how to adjust. Like this. Like here, we have 5 loading adjustable 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and we will adjust by this clip, and you will see now our this loading will stay at the near 3 this position. Now we will adjust it to 5, and we will see what will happen. First, we need to hold the door, and so we can make it easy adjustable. You need to put your hand and hold the dot. Can you see it moved? It is less loading to much loading from 1 to 5. 5 means your door is heavier, so you need to adjust to 5. Adjust by put it down like this. Can you see? Okay, it is near 5. This position is at 5 now, and we will close it, and what will happen? You can see the bolt rebound, can't close, can't leave stay, can't stay at this degree. That means this loading is too much heavy than the door. That means the door is light, so it rebound, can't be free stay. So we need to reduce the loading, adjust. First, like what I said, we need to put your hand to hold the door and adjust. 往这里拍吧。You can see it now. It moves towards to 1. To the position 1. That means the loading is lighter now. We will show you what happened later. Okay, it's 1 now, and you can see it can be stay at this degree. Because that means the door weight is heavier than the loading. So can't hold the door stay. You can see it fall down. The door fall down. That means we need to adjust the loading to be suitable state position. Our door weight is the better position is 2.5. Like this, you can see it can stay where now. So let's stay, and then so close. Now we will. You can see the soft close is slowly now, and we will show you how to adjust the speed, soft close speed. We will adjust 10 left. And here we'll move. Here the damper will turn inside. You can see we see more much damper outside now. Outside the practice cover now, you can see the steel damper, and we will turn left. And the damper will come inside the practice cover. We will can't see the damper later. Did you see? The damper come inside now. Go back inside the cover. Okay, and we will close the door. You will see it much faster than before. The speed is faster. And last, we will show you the much important installation size. That means this whole center to the edge of the door. This distance is about 30. This whole distance to the edge is 30 millimeter, and hole to hole distance is 106. Hole to hole distance is 106, and this the last hole to the hole center to the edge of the door is 60 millimeter, and the height to this hole, this top here to the this height to the hole center is 250 millimeter. That's all. Okay. Okay. The hole center to the edge of the cabinet is 30 millimeter, and also it is clear on. That means we only can put it outside from our hand, like this. Clear on. And you can install like this, and then put it inside. Okay? Okay?